What's up, Dasiaa gang? It's your girl Dasiaa, and I'm back with another freaking video. As you read by the title, today your girl will be doing a hair review / install chopped up here and there. So as y'all read by the title, girl, today your girl did a Sensational Vice HD lace wig in the unit 5. This is 1B. So if y'all don't know, it's natural density, HD lace, plucked hairline, baby hairs. One middle part. You can do this sideways if you want to, but me personally, with this part, I like to do nothing but middle, because that's all you got. Then they give you baby hairs, but me, as y'all can see, very dramatic, because the baby hairs they have already pulled out for you is very much so little, and I don't like that. But anyways, this is the wig. I like it. Like, this is it bushed out. I love it. Like, I love big hair. The hair is soft, got body. It's not no, you know, very stiff wig. What I love about this hair is very natural feeling. Like, it's giving real hair. Honestly, it's very much so natural. It's giving real hair. As y'all can see, that's the pattern. That's the pattern. It's real cute. I love it. Y'all like and subscribe, hit that bell. They do have more colors in this wig. Here is the little card, you want to call it. They got it in like black, roots, or red. It's more colors. Y'all let me know if I like this wig, so I'll probably be ordering me another wig. But y'all, I'm gonna put up a poll for y'all to choose which wig I buy next. Cause y'all know I think it's the unit 3 wigs. I done had like 2 of them already. So it's time for me to try more sensational wigs, because they just snaps every time. And I just love big hair because I got a big face, and it just, you know, compliment me very well. But the hair is very soft. I love it. I'm trying to find the price. So once again, if y'all don't know, everything will be linked in the description box below, from the link to how much, all that good stuff. I'm trying to see y'all. But I love this wig. It's giving what they're supposed to have. And yeah, this is my first time doing the sideburns on a wig, because every time I get a wig, I honestly end up messing up the baby hairs. Like, one thing about these synthetic wigs, the lace is very thin, so if you pull and tag on it too hard, you will rip it. And I have did that before, and I'm not trying to do it again. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it was fast delivery, y'all. It was very much so fast delivery. I love that with Prime. You can order a wig today, get it tomorrow. I love that about a wig, about an Amazon wig at that. Y'all, this wig was $31. No, I got all black. $35. So 1B is $35 if you buy one. The color 1 is $31. It just depends on the color. But the highest a wig gonna be from this particular hair is $38, and it's that, I think, that honey blonde / copper type of color. When I say that color, it hits. But this is the wig, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you watch, and see y'all at the end. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all go check it out. Link in the description box below. Make sure you go check out all my other wig videos. I have a couple up, so make sure y'all go check them out. And please, if you want me to sponsor anything that you have, please email me or text me on social media. Follow me on all my social medias. And that's in this video. Like and subscribe, hit that bell, and I will see y'all in my next video.